ladies first?
I guess I would start with the similarities. Medyo mahirap kasi sobrang polar opposites kami ni Nicole. So I think si Nicole kasi parang sobrang extreme siya na parang mayaman. Tapos, alam mo yung lahat, lahat ng vices ginagawa niya. And then in a way parang may hatred siya towards her dad. And kung ano man yung nangyayari dun sa mundo niya. Ako naman, ano lang ako, chill lang naman ako. I'm okay with everything. Also, my relationship with my dad is not exactly the same. Pero ang similarity namin siguro ni Nicole, I would say, is parehas kaming palaban. That scene actually was really funny kasi every time after ng eksena, naalala ko merong mga adik si Kuya Aga na, as in paglabas ko ng pintuan after the scene, tawa ko ng tawa. I don't know if it's gonna be in the scene or in the film, pero iba yung pakiramdam ng maka-eksena ko si Kuya Aga. Medyo, hindi naman siya awkward. Parang I think if ever, if anything, mas natuwa ako na itawin namin yung eksena ng gano'n. Pero I would say na medyo, you know, when you watch the trailer, parang medyo triggering siya in a way. I guess nakakatawa lang kasi knowing Kuya Aga, even in a short while, sobrang layo din ng personality niya kay Gilly.